a next-generation dual laser engraver built for power, precision, and creativity. With a 60-watt MOPA fiber laser and a 40-watt diode laser, the F2 Ultra handles everything from stainless steel and aluminum to wood, leather, and acrylic, all in one compact machine. Despite all this power, the F2 Ultra is surprisingly compact. It measures 11.5 inches by 16.8 by 20.5 inches and weighs around 48 pounds. This means you can fit it on a workbench, in your studio or workshop without needing a large industrial space. Experience blazing fast engraving speeds up to 15,000 millimeters per second with pinpoint precision, ideal for professionals and small-scale production. The F2 Ultra's smart dual cameras and autofocus system make setup effortless. What you see on screen is exactly what you engrave. Create vivid full-color metal engravings, custom gifts, signage, and industrial parts, all with professional quality and brilliant detail. With a fully enclosed design and advanced safety systems, you can work confidently anywhere, from workshop to studio. Unleash your creativity with the XTool F2 Ultra, the ultimate laser for professionals. It's the Epilog Fusion Maker 12, a compact CO2 laser that lets you cut and engrave almost anything. It features a 24 by 12 inch work area and up to 40 watts of laser power, giving you professional results right on your desktop. With its iris camera system, you can see exactly where your design will go. No more guessing, just perfect placement every time. Connect through Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or USB, and you're ready to bring your ideas to life, from wood, acrylic, and leather to glass and coated metals. It's built in the USA with industrial-grade parts, designed to last and perform beautifully. Price starts at $8,995. And here's the best part. With the right creativity, this laser can help you make thousands of dollars in custom products, gifts, and art every month. Epilog Fusion Maker 12. Small size, huge potential.